National Board was something I always wanted to do, and once a cohort opened up, that's when I really jumped on National Board and really wanted to participate. I hit a point in my career where I needed something more.
So National Board certification, in terms of just as educators, that is one of the highest credentials that we can get.
We are currently in a class through Towson, and it is a cohort through Howard County Public Schools. So everybody in our class is an employee of Howard County.
This is my first experience with Towson, and probably this is like one of the best classes I've taken. I just come out of every class refreshed. I'm getting ideas and things that I can definitely take and apply to my classroom. If not the next day, then definitely in the near future. And I'm reflecting on my practice a lot.
It helps you focus on exceptional teaching at every level, whether it be planning, preparation, research, evaluating, assessments, reflection.
I've definitely had to go outside of my comfort zone a little bit. I've definitely had to change up the way that I teach.
This is a way for me to, further practice my craft and also improve upon my teaching.